Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how to turn off sensitive content setting on Twitter. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy on how you can turn on or off sensitive content on your X or Twitter. First, you gotta go to the app and make sure if you see the setting. If you can find the setting, just go ahead and press on your profile, and then you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of settings and privacy. Go ahead and press on that. And right over here, you just gotta go to privacy and safety. And right over here, you'll see the option of content you see. Right over here, if you don't see that option, what you can do is just go to your web browser like this. And once you're inside your web browser, you just need to go ahead and press on your profile again like that. And scroll down and you'll see the option of settings and privacy. Press on that. Right over here, you'll see the option of privacy and safety again. If you press on it, and if you press on content you see, right over here you'll see the option of display media that may contain sensitive content. So as you know before, when you tried in the app, it wasn't. So if it's like, tick mark like this, you can just simply turn it off and it's turned off. Or if you want to turn it on, just simply do like this and you're good to go after that. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next